Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today we're working on this 2010 Mazda 3. We're replacing the rear shocks. This should work for anything from a 2004 all the way up to 2013. The rear shocks are extremely easy. There's only 3 bolts holding them in there. It's a really quick and easy job. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and stick our jack underneath and jack it up. All right, put a jack stand underneath. Okay, so this one is extremely easy to change. If we look up here, we have 2 12mm nuts. That's all that's holding it up there. And then down here, I'm gonna have to go from the back side to show you. There's 1 17mm. Okay, so coming under here, all right, now we can get the electric ratchet on it. There we go. Okay, so now if we can just get up here and get our 12mm off. Okay, now as we take this last one off, you want to hold the shock itself. And then it'll come right out. Okay, so here's our brand new one, and here's our old one. We do have to take this off. Okay, so if you look here, it's still got some stuff from the top up there. Just want to pull that off so we can get to this nut. Okay, so we'll take a 14mm. Once you got it broke free, okay, so now that we broke it free, this wants to spin. So what you're going to have to do is get you a little adjustable and a 13mm ratchet and hold it with the adjustable. See, what happens is that little center shaft, it spins, so that's how you hold it while spinning the nut off. Now this whole thing will slide right off just like that. So we'll go ahead and get our new one, and it's just as easy as sliding it back on. Comes with a new bolt, so we'll just run that down. Perfect. So now we want to energize the strut. Just press down 3 to 5 times. Let it come back up. After 3 to 5 times, you can go ahead and put it in. Okay, so we're just going to put all this back in here like it was. So we come up here, line those up. Go ahead and get these started. Okay, so we want to go to 17 to 20 foot-pounds on those two. Okay, to get the clearance, I just went ahead and got a extension. There we go. Perfect. Now we gotta work on the bottom. Okay, so now then, this can turn, so you can get it lined up. You gotta get back into there. And if you're not strong enough to push it up by yourself, you can always use your jack. But it seems to go pretty easy. Okay, now we'll tighten it up. Okay, now this bolt gets torqued down to 59 to 77 foot-pounds. We're going to go with 70. Perfect. Okay, go ahead and put your wheel back on. Go ahead and start them all by hand first. And then we'll tighten them down just to get it where we can put it on the ground and torque it to spec. Pull out your jack stand. Okay, now let the car down. Pull your jack out. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.